Good morning, my dear kids. I, Sonia Grover, again here to learn with you. We are learning in code.org. I am opening it. First of all, you know that this is mobile simulator, this is toolbox, this is workspace, each and everything. Now you know that. Today we will learn about checkbox. How to apply checkbox, how to do coding on checkbox. For this, I am taking label first. I am taking 3 labels here and one last label for output at down. Yes. Then I am taking drop down. No, checkbox. Today we will learn about checkbox. I will use checkbox. Yes, this one. Yes, like this. Again, one more checkbox, like this, right? One button I have need of this. Yes. In this label I am writing I am selecting anything. You can select these. This is my text of label. I am changing the size also, taking it. Okay. Now here I am taking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can take up to Saturday, Monday, like this. Now I am taking here Tuesday, then Wednesday, like this. Okay, here I am taking checkbox 1. You can take simply MON, Monday. ID of this checkbox is Monday, MON, Mon. Now you can write checkbox also. Otherwise, simply you can take CB for checkbox, CB. Monday CB. Here I am taking Tuesday CB. Then I am taking here Wednesday CB, like this. Okay. In button section, I am taking button ID. Then you can submit button. BTN. You know that you can take it now. Here I am taking submit, like this. Okay. You can increase the size of these checkboxes. You can increase the size like this. I am taking 25, height 25 and width 25, like this. In the same way you can do like this. You can set the XY position also. Height I am taking 25, like this. Okay. Yes. Now in this label I want output. When I am clicking on this, then output should reflect here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, days, like this. When I am clicking on this checkboxes, the output should come in this. I am increasing the width of this, like this. Okay. Output should come here when I am selecting this. You can change the background color also. You know that how to change the background color. From here you can change any color. It's your choice what you want to take here, like this. You can choose any color. Okay. Otherwise, simply you can change the theme. Which theme you want, it's your choice. I am taking watermelon. Here you can select any theme. Yes, it's fine. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now I am this. Means I want this thing. When I am checking on Monday, then Monday should come here. When I am clicking on Monday, Tuesday, then Monday, Tuesday should come here. Means whatever I am checking here, the output should come in this label. For this, you have to go at code section. I want this thing on clicking event of button. For this, I have to take a on event like this. On event, then ID is submit button, then choose button submit button here. Okay. Now I want to store this value in a variable, means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday should be stored in a variable. For this, I have to declare a variable first. I am taking this variable x is equal to this. Then here whatever I will write in double quotes, the value of variable should be like that. I am taking like this, days. Whatever I am writing in double quotes, the value should come like this. One thing more, for concatenation, means if you want to join the string, you will use plus sign. Like arithmetic operation, you use a plus sign for addition. In the same way, when you join, means when we concatenate the two strings, then you will use plus sign. Here, if I am clicking on Monday, then Monday should come. If I am clicking on Tuesday, then Tuesday should come. When I am clicking on Wednesday, Wednesday should come. For this, you have to take a if statement, because I am already saying if. Then I will go at control section. I will take 3 if for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you are taking up to Saturday, then you will take 6 like this. Inside the block. Okay. Yes. In the if statement, I want this. If this checkbox is checked, then for this you have to use checked. Checked, get checked. Click over here, get checked. Then get checked. Click over here, get checked. Then click over here, this is get checked, like this. Okay. Here ID is ID of checkbox. Go at design section, click over here, ID is Monday CB. Simply copy, Control C copy, then go at code section, then write here Monday CB. In the same way, go at Tuesday section, click over here Tuesday CB, then copy it. Otherwise you can type also, but whatever you are writing, that should be typed in the same way, Tuesday CB. Click over here now. I am clicking on a Wednesday checkbox, then simply copy it, then go at code section and simply paste it like this. Okay. Yes. Now if this is checked, the X should store Monday. If this is checked, then X should store Tuesday. I want to concatenate also. For this you will use X is equal to, like this. I am taking this X is equal to, then for concatenation you use plus symbol, then simply drag and drop like this. X is equal to this. I am going here, X is equal to, then go at math section, X is equal to like this. In the same way, again for Wednesday, X is equal to, plus for concatenation, I am taking here X is equal to this. Here what I will store, whatever in the X, I am taking here X plus. Here I am also taking X plus. Here I am taking also X plus. If Monday is checked, the Monday should come here. I will write in double quotes Monday like this. Then I will write here Tuesday for Tuesday like this. Then for Wednesday I will write in double quotes Wednesday like this. For Thursday, Friday, Saturday you can do like this. Now X should be concatenated with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday days, then column, then it will come Monday. If you are selecting Monday, then if you are selecting Tuesday, it will come Tuesday. If you are selecting both Monday, Tuesday, then it will come Monday and Tuesday both. We will run this app and you will check it. Now X will store these values. I want to set the value of X with this label. For this I have to use set text. Set text. I will simply drag and drop this set text. I want to set the ID of this label. Look at this. What is this ID? This is a label 5. This is label 5. Label 5. I am going at code section. I will choose label 5 here. Label 5. This is a label 5. Choose it. And which value you want to set? Value of x. You will write here x. I am writing here x. Now run it. I am selecting Monday. Submit. Yes, day Monday is coming here. When reset it, when I am selecting here Monday, Wednesday, then submit. Monday, Wednesday is coming here. Then reset it. If I am selecting Monday, Tuesday, then Monday, Tuesday will come here in the same way. If you are thinking that Tuesday T is here and this is, you can simply put space here also, like this. Reset it. You can simply put space like this, in the same way, like this. Okay. Look at the changes now. Now run it. Monday, Wednesday, submit. Yes, Monday, Wednesday is coming here. Otherwise, you can increase the size of this label also. Show the Wednesday come properly. How to concatenate it with the help of plus sign. Okay, checkbox means you are getting checked. When get checked means when you are check this checkbox, then Monday should come. When you are check this Tuesday, then Tuesday should come. When you check this Wednesday, Wednesday should come. But it should be concatenated with old value, whatever you are storing in x. I am storing here x days, that's why days is coming. After this, it will be concatenated with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever you are selecting from checkbox. I hope you have got this point, and at the end you have to set the text. I am setting the text of label here. You can set the text of text area, whatever you are taking here. Means you have to set the value of that tool. I hope it's clear. Please do practice. If there is any doubt, please ask query. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.